Hi students, this is Bhaskar. Today I am going to show how to write the Anna University online theory examination. Okay, step by step procedure I am going to show that. Okay. So before going to attend the examination, we need to modify the settings. You are going to write the examination either laptop or monitor system or mobile version, whatever things. We need to change some few settings. It is very easy one. Okay, and what are the things we need to do and not do. Okay, the all the step by step procedure I will show one by one. Okay, so before going to the slide, first I will show that how we are going to modify the setting for the laptop or system. Okay, so I will show one video, you refer it. Okay, so first you need to go Google Chrome page. Okay, so this is a Google Chrome page. If you click that new tab, Google Chrome is there, or otherwise you can click in the desktop. Okay, so in that Google Chrome, in top right corner in vertical side there are three dot is there. Okay, customized and control Google Chrome, just click it. Okay, in that we need to click the settings. Okay, so after clicking the settings, either you can type pop like that. Okay, or otherwise you can just scroll down. Okay, at bottom side we having one option that is called as a site setting, just click it. Okay, again scroll down, we having pop up and redirects. Okay, you need to click that. Defaultly it is a blocked condition. Okay, just you click it. So in that blocked condition I need to enable. Okay, just if you click that, it become a the blocked into allowed stage. Okay, that means the blue color tick will show that. Okay, that's all. Okay, then close the setting. Okay, this is the procedure for modifying the setting for either laptop or system. Okay, next I am going to show the how we are going to modify the setting for the mobile versions. Okay, so in that mobile version also we having Google Chrome. Okay, so go to the Google Chrome, then followed by the click the settings. Okay, then followed by site settings. In that cookies are allowed. Okay, just to ensure that it is a defaultly allowed. Okay, then we need to ensure that this is a main thing. Okay, we need to go pop up and redirects. In that the default position is a blocked. Okay, you need to modify as allowed. That means if you enable that tick mark, it become a blue color. That's all. Okay, so the pop up and redirect should be in a allowed condition. Okay, initially it is a blocked condition, we just to modify that. Okay, so next, after that, hereafter the some basic things. Okay, what are the things we need to do and not do for the online examination. Okay, so once again, okay, so okay, so we need to do some information. Okay, keep in mind, so you please refer your timetable. Okay, so just like that, please don't note down. Okay, note down your subject, timing, whether it is forenoon or afternoon or timing, date and all, properly note down. Okay, in a separate paper. Then keep your mobile phone or system in a proper condition. Okay, that wire connection, then you need to keep the UPS for the system in case any power shutdown is happening during the examination. It is a very difficult one. So okay, so if you are going to use the system, please connect it to the UPS system. As well as in case if you are going to use a mobile phone, please ensure that keep a 100% fully charged mode. Okay, then it is a very important thing, while writing the examination you need to sit in a separate room. Okay, close your door and switch on the light. Okay, you need to sit in a proper lightening room also. Then need to keep your eye contact with the webcam. Okay, so it is a very important, because the invigilator will keep on monitor your activities. So you should, you going to move just like that, definitely the system will monitor, okay, and giving the warning. Okay, so please ensure that your eye contact should be focused on the webcam. And one more thing, please ensure the proper internet bandwidth. Okay, so many of them saying in our rural area the network is low, won't connect like that. Okay, so but the system not accept it. Okay, so please keep your internet bandwidth is a good condition on. Even if you having a low network issue, you need to do recharge, there is no other way. Okay, or other way you can keep a daily net pack, there are so many net pack is available. Okay, just google it, for your particular network you can do the recharge for the particular examination. Then block the ads. Similarly, during the examination, if any issue, inform. For example, you are going to writing the exam. Okay, for example 20 minutes you are writing the exam without any trouble. In case after that, if you have or if you face any issue, please immediately inform to your class in charge or staff or your department. You need to inform. Okay, they will take as a corrective action. Then notification need to off. Similarly, the webcam should be in a on condition, then cookies should be allowed condition. Okay, these are the things we need to do before starting the examination. Okay, and these are the things we should not do. Okay, so while writing your examination, don't allow anybody to your room. At the same time, don't allow any incoming call or outgoing call or unwanted noise or music, whatever thing. Okay, if anything happening, the system will monitor that. At the same time, while writing the examination, don't search any Google tab, any new things. Okay, either system or mobile, whatever thing, don't allow the new tab for searching anything. At the same time, don't allow the new tab. Okay, sorry, it is two times repeatedly. And similarly, if the link is not connected, okay, don't keep upon refresh or reload. Okay, because whole the Tamil Nadu the students are going to write the examination. Okay, maybe the server may be low. Okay, so if you have any difficulties, please be patient for 2 or 3 minutes, it automatically will rectify that. Okay, so don't press the refresh button anything or refresh anything. Okay, then don't wear the mask as well as the headset during the examination. Then similarly, do not permit any sound in the room like a music or any noise and all. Okay, next, please remember, if any SMS received to your mobile phone, the examination will automatically close. Okay, we cannot do anything. And one more thing, if you are using the mobile phone for the particular examination, we need to ensure the following things. Okay, so in case if you are using the mobile phone, okay, so go to the setting option. In that we having a SIM card and mobile network option. Okay, in that just click it. One more option is the volt, VOLTA. Okay, in that volt we need to off. Okay, so if you click that off condition, there is a no incoming call as well as the no SMS come to the your mobile phone. Okay, in case general case the volt is on condition, if you change into the off mode condition, the incoming call as well as the SMS won't come to the your mobile phone during the examination. Okay, at the same time, in case if you, most of the candidates are having dual sim. Okay, if you are having a two sim, the better things, the second sim we need to remove that. Okay, or otherwise keep it in a off condition. Okay, so for online exam we having the link. Okay, just the paste the link in the Google Chrome. Okay, it is nothing but https dot coe1.annaunit.home. Okay, then the username is a registered name number and password is a your date of birth. Okay, generally the exam schedule is for a 1 hour. The proctor duty, that means you are going to write the examination, so who will monitor your activities, mean that is called a proctor or invigilator. Okay, so they will keep on watching your activities, whether you are moving or you are talking with anybody, or you're opening the new tab and all. If anything is happened, the examination going to close. Okay, and one more thing, the alert warning is permitted to 85 to 100 level. Okay, so in that range means there is no issue. In case if the number below the 85 reaches means automatically you are disqualifying from the examination. Okay, so don't fear about that. If you sit in front of the webcam, definitely the count 85 should be there. Okay, it won't decrease. In case if you do any activities, definitely the countdown going to decrease, so your examination will be disqualifying. Okay, all the best. Thank you.